Alright, we're back at the tomato plants on May 25th, and they've grown quite a bit, and they're getting to the point where they need lots and lots of water. You can't just sprinkle them with water every other day. You gotta soak these a couple days a week and soak them deeply. What I do for that, I dig a little trench. I'll put the garden hose around here, and I dug this 3-inch deep trench so you can see it down here. And then it goes all the way over here, waters this guy like a little river. Like a little river. Goes in here, waters these guys. So let's dig a quick trench. So I'm gonna put this, I don't have a trench over here yet, so I'm gonna start with this one and dig a little river all the way to, say, that tomato right there. So I am gonna, when I do the trench, I'll place the garden hose here and the water will flow that way. So to start, I start at the first tomato plant and just start digging around it. Pay mind to the roots. Don't want to hurt the roots. So about like 6 inches to a foot away from the plant, and just make a moat around the plant. Maybe 2 or 3 inches deep. Sometimes it's easier to use your fingers and just get it that way. Alright, I dug a little trench around here. I don't think I'll be able to get back there because my cement wire is in the way. So now I'm going to connect this moat to this plant over here. And instead of using a level, I'm just going to go ahead and turn the water on and just follow the flow of the water. Water's flowing this way, right here. So I'll just dig it out till the water flows towards the other tomato. Might need a shovel. There we go. Just move dirt away. Let the water flow. Alright, we're way over here. Just finish this up and then I'll dig a moat around this plant right here. Alright, I'll start digging my moat. About 6 to 12 inches away from the plant. Dig a circle around the plant. Okay, so far so good. Finish off this circle right here. See the water flow? Just make the moat around the tomato plant. Almost there. Now I'm just going to connect this water to this water to finish my moat. There the water comes. Okay, they're connected. I made a circle around the whole plant. Now I'm going to do that 2 more times for this one and for that one in the back there. Alright, I got this one done. It's flowing all the way around the plant. Nice moat. Now I got to connect this one to this plant right here. Alright, I got this one dug. From there to there. Almost goes all the way around. I did the best I could. This one flows nicely. See the flowing water? And yeah, the tomatoes look really good. May 25th.